Hello everyone, welcome to Can Coffee. Here we have the delonghi magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it has general alarm, which can mean pretty much from a single fuse being broken in the machine to a whole transmission and whole generator. For this machine, we had to replace the generator and the transmission, the ones that you see right here. The generator, let me just try to get it out of here. Had to be replaced. As you can see, it's been leaking. It's pretty rusted around here, and it was not providing good content anymore, and it was just pretty much tripping the machine to have the general alarm. After replacing the generator, we found out that the machine basically, this transmission was not moving the infuser and anything or anything like that. So this basically was not moving at all, the infuser, the one that you see right here. And that triggers the general alarm, so we had to replace that as well. And after replacing the generator and the transmission, now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test it out, then we're going to test the hot water and then the steam. Good water flow coming out of the machine. We chose one shot of espresso, so we should be getting 1 ounce of water, which is exactly what we got. 1 ounce of water right there. Now we're gonna test the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream of hot water, good temperature as well. And now we're gonna test the steamer. It's gonna take a little bit for the machine to build up some pressure inside, but we'll be able to see some steam coming out of the machine. Alright, as you can see, it's steaming out properly, having excellent temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the delonghi magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.